Elaine Thompson-Herah finally confirms Hey guys, what's up? Just a quick one. Breaking news. Remember a few weeks ago or probably days ago, not so long ago, news broke that Elaine was leaving MVP and there was speculations all around. Elaine came out and said it was a rumor, nothing no go so, and she wasn't going anywhere. And then Stephen came out and said that him don't know what she doing, but when training start back, everybody will know. Well, guys, the truth is out. She is leaving MVP Track Club. In a departure from her earlier statement, Jamaica sprinting sensation, the fastest woman alive, Elaine Thompson-Herah, has confirmed her split with the MVP Track Club, confirming reports first carried in the Gleaner that she had parted ways with longtime coach Stephen Francis. Thompson-Herah, in a media release, said that she has commenced her pre-season training independently and will continue to train on her own while she finalizes all aspects of her setup for the upcoming season. In light of an abundance of requests from my fans and concerned Jamaicans, I want to assure everyone that I have begun my training independently and will continue to do so while I finalize all aspects of my training for the upcoming season, Thompson-Herah said. I want to thank everyone for their support and express appreciation to those who have reached out in concern. I remain committed to representing my country and to lead with courage and grace, as I am aware that I inspire young women across the world who have dreams and who dare to see these dreams come to pass. So guys, there you have it. It has been confirmed by Elaine herself. She is leaving MVP. Comment below and tell me what you all think about this.